Hey there. Have you ever wanted to add product photos or just any photos to your website and you want them to look alike, but when you take the picture, they have different background colors or maybe they're different sizes and things just don't lay out correctly when you start to put them either into your online store or just in a row on your website? Well, I've got a quick tool that will help you fix this problem by removing the background of the photo. Plus, it'll help you keep all the photos the same size so you can make sure everything displays the same on your website. That's in one row or in one category. And what we're going to be working with is my pretend website for a jewelry store. And I'm showing you based on our product photos that we have uploaded into WooCommerce. We're using Beaver Builder. You don't have to do that, but the one tool you are going to want to grab is Canva, and not just the free version of Canva. You're going to want to go Canva Pro. And that's about $120 for a year subscription to Canva Pro, but that means it's only about $10 a month. And compared to using something like a Photoshop tool, it's way less expensive and it's way less complicated. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this in Canva super quick if you've got a whole row or gallery of photos that you need to make the same size. This also works with anything like resizing logos, which sometimes you do those cool logo rows to show a little bit of your authority in your field, or maybe these are past clients that we've worked with. This tool will also do the same function for you. We're going to hop in how to do that right now. So we're using our pretend jewelry store. Here I've got some earrings, a ring, and a tennis bracelet. And you can tell, first of all, the background does not match my theme here at all. That is my brand. And also, they're just different colors. The background of the products themselves are showing us different colors. And so I don't love how that looks. So let's pop into Canva. And the first thing that we're going to do is create our design. So for these purposes, I've made my canvas 1080 by 1080 pixels. You can make it any width and height for the different blocks that you're going to be building this in. The key here, though, is if you're going to be displaying these together, that you want to make them the same size. So we're going to hit create new design here in Canva, and it's going to give us a blank canvas, which is great. And you can see that I have already uploaded a photo of a tennis bracelet here that I've popped into Canva before. We're going to upload the other photos that we have in our product gallery. And we're going to just pull them right onto the Canva page. And what I like to do is spread these photos out to the very edges. And then we align these things in the center so they'll all end up looking the same. So all we did was head to the upload section and then dragged our photo from our file location onto the canvas itself. Now we're in this canvas and we're just going to hit effects, and you're going to see the background remover right here. If you don't see this, then it's probably because you don't have the pro version of Canva. So you'll have to hop in there and get that pro version of Canva first, but all you do is hit this button really quickly, background remover, and then it is all gone, and all you have is a ring that sits here in front of us. Fingers crossed, I hope. There we go. There's our ring. And then the final step is going to the download. You do want a PNG because what a PNG does for you is it creates a transparent background. The sneaky part though here is you have to click this box for transparent background from Canva. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a white square behind this. And what we want to do is have a no square behind this. We want it to be transparent so that we can see the background color that we have with our brand that's already on our website. And then the last piece is going to be clicking this compress file to lower quality because we want a pretty small photo on our website so it doesn't take forever to load, especially whenever we're going to be putting a lot of this together. So now I'm going to come in, ring, transparent. I'm saving this and I'm going to come back to my products in my WooCommerce store. And again, this can be any sort of photo gallery, so it does not have to be a WooCommerce product. but I'm gonna edit here and put in the featured photo my new transparent background ring by removing the product image and now uploading my new photo that has no background. Transparent ring. And the good news is I think it's only about 61 kilobytes. That's right. That my product image. And as you can see now, you're seeing a grid layout behind here. And whenever it shows up in, this is the snippet that's going to show up as a meta description in Google search when they serve this up for people who are looking for a ring from the FAM agency. And so you can see there's no background there. And this checkered background tells you you've got a transparent file. So I'm going to update that. Then we're going to hop back to this web page. I'm going to refresh here, and then we're going to see, look at that beautiful ring. There's no background going on here behind this photo. So we're just going to hop in here and do this with the other two products. I've already made a transparent background for this tennis bracelet. So I'm just going to replace the photo really quickly so that you can see how that changes the look. You can see again my checkered background. I'm hitting update. And here we are. We're refreshing and I've got a nice product image right beside there. No weird blue background going on. I'm going to hop back to Canva. I'm going to delete this ring that we've got uploaded here. And now I'm going to add what I think are the earrings. Yep. So these are the earrings. I'm pulling these out again, centering it, and then hitting effects, background remover. Now Canva's doing its work. La, 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 la. And we download. So again, hit this transparent background and compress file to lower quality, hit download. And then we're going to hop back into our WooCommerce store and add our earrings. No background. To our earrings product. Upload our new transparent background earrings photo. And we're looking at an 88 kilobyte file. Transparent background. That's how it shows up in Google. Great. Update. Now we're going to refresh our page. We're going to see a product row. Now, obviously, there's some more work to do here in making all of these align with our brand and some of the formatting of first the words we want to see, plus instead of read more, it's probably buy now or view the product, something like that, a little bit of a better call to action. But in the meantime, our photos are starting to look a lot more standard. And this is how you create a row of similarly sized photographs with the background that will take on that color that is aligned with your brand and is already existing on your website. Just a quick $10 a month, but a super fast process, much faster than using Photoshop. And even though I know how to use Photoshop, I use Canva all the time for this specific reason. Totally worth it to me to save the amount of time that I would have to spend in Photoshop and get a quick download of a super small sized file that still displays well on a website. So that's it for today. That's exactly how to take the background out of a photo for only $10 with a tool that's only $10 a month. And it's much faster than using Photoshop and much less expensive. And you can get files that are the same size so that things have a better display on your website. All right, talk to you later. I'm Tina Smith, and I like making complicated WordPress stuff easy. I'll see you later. Bye.